Hey there, my friend and fellow Forex trader. It's Will here at XAUUSD.com. And if you've been a subscriber to my channel for a while now, you will realize that every now and again I do give out some pretty nice free trading setups. And today is going to be one of those setups, a setup that I'm looking for. So it's a longer term one, as they usually all are, that I give. And today's one is on the USD CAD. Okay, you can see we're approaching a nice monthly area here, where we got a big reaction from last year. You can see from this area up here last year, we created this new low. Okay, and it's been slowly making its way over the past year to this 135 area. Okay, so as per rules, what I'm looking for here is simply, I'm just going to show you the profile that I have. Okay, so what I'm looking for here is simply, I'm just going to walk you through my process here on this USDCAD trade. So the first question I ask is price in a monthly zone, which it is. Okay, next we move down to the weekly. Is price at a weekly zone? Okay, now this is kind of the sweet spot here. There's a zone here, started at 134,400, and then between 135 and 136. Okay, so this is the kind of area where I'll be looking to trade. This is an area here. Why? Because this area price dropped, paused, and then dropped again and created this new low. So this is an area that I look for. Okay, so is price at a weekly? And the answer is yes. And okay, so trade updated. I haven't entered the trade yet, so okay, we go here weekly, inside monthly. We don't need to look at the daily, and what we're looking to do here is short the market. Okay, we'll just have that in capital letters, short. Okay, entering. Okay, we have to wait for the enter signal, and the signals for this trade are going to be on the daily, on the 4 hour. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Stop loss. Okay, now I'm going to go through the MacBot now and have a look at this. So that's all I'm filling in now. We are ready for a trading setup. Short. We'll update this later on the trade which entered, and here just your comments, load MacBot to await entry. Okay, and this is the only trade I'm going to be giving you today, and it's a very good one that's coming up. Okay, entry. Okay, and that's it. So this is the trading journal today, this week starting 3rd to the 12th. Okay, I've deleted some of these, so I'm not giving you all the trades them in, but I'll give you this one on the USD CAD. Okay, free trading setup. Okay, and we'll look at it here. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to start looking for signals here, and daily 4 hour signals coming in. Okay, at this weekly zone here. So the MacBot, we will go to expert advisors, we'll go to settings, and for the take profit will be at the close at opposite divergence, so we'll take an opposite signal. Okay, stop loss will be the same. We can monitor, because it's a longer term trade, we can monitor the situation. Okay, Now, since there's two weekly areas there, I'm going to half my position for this. So instead of one standard lot, it will be 1.5. 0.5, and I'll come back to it later. Okay. 0.5 being, I'm going to allow two signals here. Okay, because it could go a little bit against me up into this top here. So I'm just halving the position and allowing two signals to happen. Okay, so everything else is okay. Sweet, classic. Yep. Okay. Make sure current time frame's off, false, and signals we're looking at, we'll have it on the weekly, also the daily, and the 4-hour. Okay. We'll go to common. We'll go to short, and select allow live trading here, and okay, that's it loaded. So if you trade this manually, or you don't have any of my indicators or my system, which you can find more information below, this trade signal is, you want to be looking to enter it around 135. Okay, so you want to allow price to at least go to 135, which is here. Okay, 135, roughly about in there, top of this move, and you can enter the market there. So you could set on it, and your stop loss, you really want your stop loss. Let's see if there's any daily zones there that we can put the stop loss above. Okay, and this one here, you can put your stop loss around 135,500. So you want to be entering around 135, your stop loss around 135,500. And if it does take that out, you can re-enter the market up around the 136 area, and that'll be a shorter stop loss. So this trade will be, let me just see if I can text this out for you. Insert text. Okay, so look to enter short at 135. Since my MacBot's all loaded, it will do it for me. I'll just start looking for signals, which should start to appear anytime now. The stop loss 135,500. So it will, and if that's taken out, just look to enter again at 136. Okay, and this nice signal happening in this. If you look at the monthly, we can expect, if you've gone through my Udemy course, we're looking at kind of areas where it's likely to come back down to pretty easy. And this is one here where I'll look at the target. Your take profit is around 400, 500 pips. Say around 400 pips down to here. Okay, so around 400 pip take profit, around 131, probably lower. This trade will likely span out over the next 6 months. So good 500 pip move over the next 6 months on the USDCAD. Okay, that's a free trading setup for you today. If you want to access my trading tools and MacBox system coaching, simply click the link below. Any questions, get in contact with me at XAUUSD.com. And remember, trade at your own risk.